What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I appreciate you tuning in once again. It feels like forever since I've recorded in the basement. It's been a couple weeks. My last video was the one-on-one, so it wasn't down here, but I just wanted to do a little video and show you guys my recent pickups. A really exciting pickup I'm gonna save for last, but let's just get right into it because I hate to make you guys wait. And let's just get into this right here. I got this at Finish Line, and this was actually a late shipment. It just came in like a few days ago, and I never was able to get a men's pair in these, but I was able to cop a grade school pair, and the gym reds right here. Very clean shoe, the 23 Jumpman on the back with like Jordan right there, shark teeth, and nice black bottoms with the Jumpman as well. But yeah, I really like these gym reds. I really tried to get a men's size, but I wasn't able to get them. Another thing I really like about these is if I'm able to pull out the other one right here, it's got like silver tips on them, so I really like that detail. So yeah, there's the first pair, you guys. And the second pair I also got at Finish Line. Now I've been getting really lucky with dunks at Finish Line because I'm not able to cop any dunks online, like on Sneakers app. I haven't hit on a single pair of dunks yet. I've said that before, but this is the Orange Pearl women's dunk, and just like every other dunk, you guys, got Nike branding on the back, and nice orange pinkish color on the bottom here, and the leather is the normal dunk leather. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. It's not like real plasticky feeling, but it's not tumbled either. It's kind of like in the middle. So yeah, normal branding on the tongue and on the inside, but really clean orange pearls right here, you guys. I actually like this colorway. Very spring, summer vibe colorway on these dunks. So yeah, on this next one, we got, yeah, you've seen this shoe on the channel a million times, but I'm going to compare these. I picked up another pair of these because I sold size 11 that I picked up. I picked up 2 size 9s. I have one on the shelf, so I got 2 of these, and one to rock, one to stock. So unless I'm actually trying to trade these for something else, I don't need 2 pairs. If I can trade these for something else that's I'm looking forward to that if I can pull it off. So we'll see. But I might keep these, I might trade them. But this next pair, you guys, is actually a sneaker that my brother-in-law hit. He's had great luck hitting on shoes so far on Sneakers app. He just started a few months ago. This is the Air Max CLOT collaboration, you guys. You got the see-through toe box right there. You got really nice quality suede and leather, and I think on the back it's ostrich leather, like right here. And then you got nice embroidery right here on the back as well. Just crazy bottoms right there, like the pressure point. And besides that, you got crazy amount of details on the shoe. I think they're really dope. And yeah, let's just move on. I got a couple more sneakers here. This next one, I normally don't keep 5s in the collection. I have 2 off-white 5s, but I'm definitely gonna hold on to these right here. And it's the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bulls, you guys. Check them out right here. Really like this sneaker. Icy bottoms with the Jumpman, you know, red and black. Really love red and black shoes. It's just where I'm from is red and black flag. So yeah, you got Jumpman on the back as well. Obviously the reflective tongue with the Jumpman. 23 right there. And yeah, really like these Raging Bulls. Definitely gonna stay in the collection. Alright guys, so for this last shoe, I saved the best for last like I usually do, and you already know what it is. It is the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. I was really excited to get these in the collection, so yeah, you guys already know what it is. Gray bottoms, extra laces right there. Really sick shoe, you guys. So jump in the comments, you guys, and let me know what you think is better. What do you think? Is it the UNC or the Hyper Royal? You choose, let me know. I really like to know. If I had to choose, I really like the Hyper Royals because I just like the gray swoosh, and the black on here is just kind of like really contrasty. If I had to pick materials, I'd pick this with the materials, but I just like the overall aesthetic on the Hyper Royals. Really clean, and now I need to get the turbo greens so I can, you know, get the other pair that looks like this. So yeah, really dope sneaker on the Hyper Royals. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Jump in the comments. I want to know what you guys prefer. But yeah, that's it for the video. That's it for the unboxing. I have obviously some more shoes. I hit on sneakers again for another pair, and I just ordered another pair on GOAT. So some more shoes coming on the way, and I'll be announcing another giveaway next month. So stay tuned for that as well, you guys. I really appreciate you watching as always. Hope you're staying safe out there. Things are getting like a lot better as far as, you know, the virus and stuff, and things are slowly getting back to normal. We're almost there, but be careful out there still, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.